Ekamia kwese yeda sorry ya yante asempa ewo UK mem se London so nina ene se Queen Elizabeth II at one ananomo ewo nsedo awudi 96 years old na story no akoye bibie wo ho fi se bibre na akire mo akira Tvgh wo Ghana mem ha say ebe prophesy say maami ebeto nananomo ewo nsedo enkofo bebre e kansem e de efa ho nanso attention TV de nye ho na yehwe say the dempotin and the mama me and a ton anamo ewo ensiedo a prophecy no anana ya record to be ewo ho anase nyankopon ankasa and a tonesa e de a friend mamenka was ha attention TV so University Foundation anase masna de jumedi esomo yenko ne yankutie emu chiremu ye embra.
Breaking news etimi abahwim ya chese I confirmed ye nyina betimi aka bi e de akyerɛw e de se ukopiemu ewo Britain UK Ohima Lizzy watimi ada ne nsa benkum so ya chese CCI no eno eye shocking news a chese etimi aheti wiase amanyina na enrada se oyobi a utimi e follow social media ne ho nsensama ifri enro eba ene huhuhu etimi ba ye beto odwa se Ohima Lizzy ne ho emfa no na besi na awie mpu na doctors HM say they are still monitoring situations they are monitoring her na eno enam so ema na busua nyina etimi etuye from ewiase ba biara na say royal family no member bia ewo no omo etimi troopy in ekopi mo ba bia fro say Bamora na Bamora eye castle ya say eye owned an estate owned by Queen Elizabeth ho na chese oyare koda ya na doctor for any abusua nyina etimi etwahia ho yekosi se enanumre ya just about 6 p.m. Etimi ebe confirmed say afedie watumi adane nsabe nkum so na official report ha chese ifri the royal family and I say UK royal family Buckingham Palace or more official Twitter handle etimi tweet announce the death of Queen Elizabeth Sisi and almost say the Queen died peacefully at Balmoral this afternoon. The King and the Queen consort will remain at Balmoral this evening and will return to London tomorrow. The royal family official Twitter handle omo etimi announce the death of Queen Elizabeth. Na akoba ni say no na say ombe UK mine ebetimi activity jumedi friend say Operation London Bridge. Now Operation London Bridge no nhyehyeye ene amamre chese egu akwan mu following the death of Britain Mampeni and as Britain hima Queen Elizabeth. Na ebra witimi eteki ne last breath na confirm say ampazisi de onkati asefo hu biem no na chese ne ba ya ye friend say Prince Charles officially witimi aba ye King Charles ono ene take over na the very moment Queen Elizabeth etimi toye no na chese Prince Charles ebeda na King Charles isi oyo hene ya chese automatically wono enabetimi ateki over na wahwe UK mine so as the new monarch ya chese obetimi ahwe atototo omame Queen Elizabeth ni wu ene ho ne manyina do watimi ahwe na chese wani wiase mpanifo etimi ahwe atototo niema so we a series of events chese etimi akokokoso right after say beto odwa say Ohima Lizzy watimi atono na okopiemu ewo UK the royal website ayefro no the www.royal.uk omo etimi akodak in honor of Britain Queen Elizabeth omo etimi onano na okopiemu ewo UK so asanso na omo flag the British flag baby biara wo bia no omo etimi alowa no at half mast. Afenzu kopiemu ewo US just some 25 minutes ago the US capital flags to be flown at half staff after Queen's death no UK and I say US for so domo etimi ediaye now few minutes ago na chese enipa dom etimi ebopiemu ewo the Buckingham Palace ya omo etimi akoshow solidarity after say news etimi betu dwa say UK mampeni and I say Britain hima ono so etimi atono afin so no ukopiemu ewo US White House etimi react to the Queen's death omo report and answer omo and say our heart and our thoughts goes to the family members of the Queen. So we sama chese etimi follow ya chese eniema etimi ekoko so ya chese shocking news ya etimi free mu aba. Now unim say ebra wetimi atu no aba be the longest serving monarch the longest serving British monarch. Ya wetimi edi akonya no. Wetimi edi akonya no for 70 years. And ni wiase oba yina no. Ene ya wetimi editor yi eka wona say we di 96 years ewu wiase. Na out of that 96 years no wetimi edi akonya no for 70 years. Ena wetimi aspende ewo akonya no ho. Interestingly, neba ya ene wetimi ascend the throne no na wetimi take over as the new king of UK and as Britain no. Ono so etimi abe the longest serving heir to the throne. Ono abe prince a ono so etimi afre ne prince a ya chese wetimi atwen ache. Ene ono so ne bre edu so achese officially wetimi aba abeye eye King Charles. Now another interesting thing and say unim say enche and achese UK omo prime minister friend say Boris Johnson wetimi resign ye na ebro resign ye na say ho akohia say eye UK and as Britain man no omo etimi epe prime minister for na prime minister omo pen no interestingly, you know, very emotional and interesting. And it's a bra omo etimi announce yes mama friend say Liz Truss wono and etimi take over as the new British prime minister no. Just last Tuesday and I just say mama Liz and I say Queen Elizabeth wetimi officially share Emma Liz Truss etimi ebe the official prime minister just say 2 days after say otimi esweni in mamen kan say otimi ehwe ye na official otimi instate na na say esweni in no Liz Truss so etimi abehwe na wetimi aye mamen na yi. Very shocking, very emotional story ewo eho ya che say we yen sama che say etimi ekoso na. There's been several reports say around the globe. We are seeing my mum pennyful be the solidarity messages etimi eko edema UK mino. Ya say and also echi because so edi ho echi na yetimi ahwehwem bi edi amount. So yes, after 70 years on the throne and 96 years on in the world, a life well lived, a life well spent. In fact, an interesting time for the modern era. Mami a friend said Queen Elizabeth wetimi ato ya say see ena ensemno etimi akoye hobesisi na ensem na hyase enti nebekoso ediechi na ya hwehwehwe de niema ekomu nkakrakra na afeni de befiri ho nso ababia na yetimi ede adomo. So yes, stick and stay to the channel na yenko prepare other reactions such as ekoso after the announcement of the death of Queen Elizabeth na yentimi emfa enonso ensomo ewo channel yi eso
abusiafo tana mekan ye no yakọ ene edima UK memu and as London memu na se omo Queen ba kope Queen Elizabeth II what na no mo ewo ense do we are breathing with them enti emo mo nkase Ghana for the yeji ne dey be kra ato mani dey so ato ye ni aha attention TV se makao.